Welcome to the overview of how to upload your weekly assignments from YouTube. First of all, you're going to go and you're going to open up your favorite web browser, whether that may be Firefox or it can be Google Chrome. Whatever you choose is fine. Once it loads up, you're going to go up to your web address bar, type in YouTube. Then you'll search on whatever we happen to be going over that week. For instance, if we are going over hand-cut dovetails, then you'll need to go and find a video that is over 10 minutes long. And once you find that video, you need to watch it, take some notes on it, whatever you think you may need to in order to fill out an overview of it later. Once you get it watched, you need to go up here and highlight your address bar, right click and copy the address. The next thing I want you to do is go into your mail account here, and you'll hit compose. You'll need to send it to me at andrewsimon@usd379.com. In the subject line, you need to have what the video is over, which this week is hand-cut dovetails. Then you'll go ahead and either right-click and paste in the address. And then after that, I would like you to put somewhere between a 3 and 5 sentence overview of the video. You know, this can be anything more than just "I liked it." You need to explain or describe something that you enjoyed or something that you thought was neat about it, but it needs to be more than just an "I liked it" statement. Once that is done, you need to make sure you put your name on it, and then go ahead and send it to me so I can look at it and get you recorded down in the grade books. Thank you very much.